Right, so I filled up on petrol, I'm all good to go. Need to get back up the road, so let's get out of this car park. It's getting dark now. Well, it's already dark, pretty dark anyway. That twilighty hour where... Jesus Christ, I thought he wasn't going to stop there for a moment. He sped up to that junction. Oh, and there's another one there. Right, thank you. Well, to be honest, he could have went out, but he hesitated when he seen me. That's the thing. Always anticipate they don't see you. That's it. You just gotta think like that. That's the mindset you have to have, unfortunately. Especially in bloody car parks, where the rules don't seem to apply, i.e. common sense. Still, we made it out alive. I think the battery's about to die, so till next time, folks. Catch yous later.